As you can see, she's in pretty good shape. I'm gonna knock off a bunch of the loose rust. I'm going to make a spring for this side and then use some rust inhibitor and then paint them up. Alright, here's where we're at. Next stage, I have made a new spring bracket to go right here to match the one down there. It was missing or broke. Somebody had tried to rig something. And then I'm just going to make a new tab for that. I was going to drill it and maybe just hog ring that, but I just did a little grind on it. And I'll put the spring just slightly up and bend it back. It shouldn't hurt anything, and it'll be under the batting and foam. All right, after this, we're going to rust encapsulation and then paint. Okay, new spring piece made and installed. I just used some baling wire. You know, you do have these little black clasp you can get and compress around there, but it's what I had, and it was easy. It'll hold, and it'll hold forever. This broken piece, I just retrimmed this back and bent it over. It's not going to matter. I mean, it's raised up, but the foam and canvas that I'm going to lay down to protect the springs, or the foam from the springs, will cover all that anyway, so it'll be good. Last thing to do is I'm going to take one more thin rod and actually link these springs about where you sit, right in here, and just tie that in several spots. That'll help, you know, kind of increase the spring pressure all the way across the seat.